Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. And this is an intraday video where we're gonna check what happened for Bitcoin today. Don't forget to support me with a like and subscribe for more updates as well for this channel, and leave your comments and questions below. And also make sure to check out my educational videos that I made today and how to enter a perfect trade and how to trade Elliott Waves. You can find it directly in the description below. Now, starting on the 1 hour chart, we can see today that the Bitcoin was, of course, very slow, and it's a weekend range that's very normal. However, it's very normal for a corrective wave, as we spoke about. Okay, we might saw 3 waves here. It was not yet finished, and of course this now is considered as one wave towards the upside and another wave towards the upside, finishing 3 waves, and we might now start to look for an impulse towards the downside, finishing, of course, this zigzag, preferably touching the 0.38 fib level for a wave 4. That would be a perfect fib level. And as we can see that the fibs might change even slightly here for the 1-to-1 as a zigzag. So your 1-to-1 taken from, of course, is this starting of A and the end of the A and then the base point of the B, then giving us a 1-to-1 fib level at 59,260. So this might be your most preferable target to finish this zigzag exactly on 1-to-1, and then moving up directly again for a wave 5. Now, don't forget, of course, in case that we dive deeper with the prices, we might be in a different scenario, especially after after exceeding this parallel here for the trend of the diagonal taken from here from the 1 to the 3. Your parallel should be, of course, starting from the 2. If the price reach this trend and go lower than it, it means lower than 0.38 fib level, then we might be in an invalidation of a diagonal, because your contracting diagonal needs always that your wave 4 should be smaller than your wave 2. And in that case, obviously, that your wave 4 is going to be very, very much bigger if we dive deeper than this diagonal, than this trend, right? So you don't want, of course, to exceed it. So in that case, in this case that it happened and we have exceeded with the price lower than 0.38 too much, then this means we are not in a bullish scenario anymore. We are in a bearish scenario where we are looking to a WXY. The WXY, of course, we have here as 3 waves up as a zigzag and a 3 waves down, and then finally a zigzag towards the upside, finishing this complex structure in triple zigzag as WXY. After your WXY, your wave Y want to range inside the 0.618 and the 1-to-1 fib level. This is exactly what happened. Now, after, of course, reaching even the 1-to-1 zigzag, you are sure now that this wave has finished. You are looking for a wave 4 or for a continuation towards the downside. By all means, if you are in a bearish scenario, this zigzag, which is mimicking an impulse, right? Because it starts as 1, here 5 waves towards the downside, then 3 waves towards the upside. You want to see 5 waves towards the downside. However, don't forget that it mimics, of course, an impulse, because your impulse, after having 5 waves down, you want to see 3 waves up and then move with a massive wave 3 towards the downside. Therefore, this will transform to a 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing your wave 3, and then you have your 4, 5 again to finish the whole impulse. So, of course, to be careful and watch the price of what happened. To know how to trade this, you need to watch, of course, the educational videos that I made how to trade Elliott Waves. And that's why I made those videos to, of course, lower the risk of these scenarios. When I say, of course, there is some scenarios where it can transform to another thing. So this is where the things starts. So be careful, guys. And how to trade, of course, a corrective wave. If you are a zigzag here, you should know and get informed with these educational videos that I made, so don't miss it out and check it. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet, and hit the like button if you like the content. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.